In today's video, we are going to cover how to export test mode data to CSV in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Before you go anywhere else, make sure test mode is turned on. This matters because the export will reflect the mode you are currently viewing. So if test mode is off, you may end up pulling live payment data instead of test data. Once test mode is enabled, move to the data you want to export. In the left navigation, go to Transactions, then Open Payments. This brings you to the Payments table, where Stripe lists the payment records available for the current mode. In the upper right corner of that table, click Export. This opens the export options for the payments data. From here, you can define how the CSV file should be generated. First, choose a time zone. Stripe may offer options such as GMT plus 8, UTC plus 0800, UTC, or another available time zone based on your account or settings. Pick the one you want the exported timestamps to use. This is useful if you need the CSV to line up with reports, internal records, or the local time you normally work in. Next, choose the date range for the export. Stripe provides several preset ranges, including today, current month, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, last month, and all. There is also a custom option if you need a specific period. Select the range that matches the test payments you want to include. If you are reviewing recent activity, a shorter range may help keep the export focused, while all will include everything available in test mode. After that, open the Columns dropdown. Here you can select a column preset for the CSV. This determines which fields appear in the exported file. Choose the preset that matches the information you want to review. If you are following a reporting format or comparing data across exports, it helps to use the same preset each time. With the time zone, date range, and column selection in place, click Export to generate the CSV file. Stripe will begin preparing the export based on the options you selected. Depending on the amount of payment data included, this may take a moment. When the file is ready, download it and save it to your computer. Choose a location where you can find it again quickly, especially if you plan to review the test payment records right away or share the file with someone on your team. At this point, you have exported your Stripe test mode payment data to a CSV file and saved it to your computer.